Hello everyone, my name is Shani and I study at Beyond Education School. Today I will be reading about my family. Friday, 26 September 2025. My family is very special to me. It includes my mom, my dad, my older sister and me. We live in a cozy house with a big garden. My mom is kind and make delicious meal for us. My dad worked hard to take care of our family. My sister is my best friend and we play games together. Every night we gather around the dinner table to talk about our day. We go on family trip and have so much fun. I love my family because they love me and always help and support each other. Family is where I feel safe and happy. Thank you everyone. Goodbye.